Alright guys, it's been a whole minute, man. I've been kind of down on my legs. Too many hard landings in life to catch up. Anyway, I got that 200 layer billet cut in half, two pieces of 15 and 20, and then I got me an 80 CRV2 core. I got that cooking right now. That noise y'all hear is the generator. Y'all come on along for the ride, brothers. Time just to make sure she's stuck real good. This will be the second time we tried this. Yeah. I just found out I got a pet peeve with GoPro batteries. I don't know what it is, but my little old made in China for the GoPro 10 batteries hold a charge longer than the damn GoPro that was made for the GoPro. Same battery though, supposed to be. Anyway, y'all just watch me stretch that billet out, and then technically it's gonna have two on the outside. There's 200 layers. Then in between that and the core, it's gonna have two pieces of 15 and 20. Just a little experiment. I didn't have no silver, nothing like that. But we're gonna let it cool down overnight in the forge, and I'm gonna get back with that and let y'all see something next week, see if we got it right. Because we're supposed to have the core in the center. We got the core in the center. The air, everything's gravy after that, y'all. All right, man, y'all have a good Sunday.